What's going on, everyone? This is Anthony with H&H Marine, and today we're doing twin 200-hour services on these 2023 F300XCBs, and we'll go over a few things to look at if you're a do-it-yourselfer. Let's get after it. Now, on these brand new F300XCBs, what Yamaha has done is they've actually added an intermediate shaft held in by a set screw. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, you're going to want to use heat torch to remove this. Remove it when going back together. You're going to want to make sure you use blue Loctite and about 1.5 foot-pounds of torque when installing it, so this thing doesn't back off while you're out there. All right, now a few other things to remember when you are doing a 200-hour service, which is recommended every 200 hours or every 2 years. Oil filter, spark plugs, the on-engine fuel water separator, the on-boat fuel water separator. You're going to want to do an overall examination of how healthy the rest of the engine is. Are there any corrosion points? How do the spark plugs look? Anytime we do a service, or anytime we do a 200-hour service or 100-hour service and we have removed the spark plugs, we're going to do a compression test. That compression test lets us know exactly how healthy your engine is. If you do know how to do a compression test, the standard is all cylinders need to be within 10%. If they are within that 10% and above the minimum range, chances are most of the time it's going to be around 200 psi. It's usually what we see on specifically brand new engines. Older engines, they could be a little bit lower than that. But other than that, take a look at your critical components. Don't forget to grease the Zerk fittings on the engine. Take a look at your power trim and tilt. Take a look at your steering. Just some of the things that we do when you bring your engines in for service with us. So one other critical area that you're going to want to look at is right in here is your exhaust cavity. At year 5, 6, or around 600 to 700 hours, you're going to want to periodically inspect that for corrosion. Boats being around salt water, there's always corrosion. Yamaha, within the past 12, 15 years, they've started to see a little bit of corrosion built up on the exhaust cavities. Over time, that can create problems. Just one more thing to inspect as a little tech tip when you are doing your own services. Once again, my name is Anthony with H&H Marine. Just wanted to go over a few tips and tricks, things we look for when we're doing services. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, 619-381-8480. We're here Monday through Friday, 9 to 5.